Our motoring forum this week is regarding an issue that was referred to us by one of our loyal viewers who was actually intrigued with what he saw and decided to bring it to our attention, not knowing if it was illegal or actually allowed or just another road scam.
The transportation of goods to and from the city is a vital element of the supply and demand chain. Any problems and costs encountered in this stage will resonate with consumers down the line. They will feel the effects in the form of raised prices or a decrease in the amount of goods. In this edition of Motoring Forum, we take a look at the recent truck tax imposed by the province of Laguna. With so many factories and manufacturing plants in Cabuyao, Laguna, truck traffic is expectedly high. Yet just recently, trucks headed into this area have been met with a big surprise. Positioned just off the Cabuyao exit of the South Luzon Tollway, heading to Santa Elena Golf and Country Club, is a checkpoint that stops all trucks that pass by. Manned by individuals in civilian clothing and police officers, the checkpoint demands all trucks to pay amounts in excess of 600 pesos for a truck tax. In return, a sticker is placed on their windshield signifying they've paid. But the next year, when their annual tax has expired, these trucks will be made to pay again. Operating under the Laguna Provincial Tax Ordinance Number 0192, enacted in October of 1992, the tax only amounts to 500 pesos, while any amount over that are claimed to be penalty fees. The issue only begs more questions. How will this affect the companies that operate these trucks, that now have to supply their drivers with these additional funds? Will this drive up the cost of goods produced in the area? And on a wider scale, will this drive away the companies and investors that have built up businesses in the area? Motoring Today has done some probing to find the provincial tax ordinance itself, but thorough research has only unearthed numerous court appeals and complaints about the order, but not the ordinance itself. On such petition is that of Meralco versus the province of Laguna, where Meralco claimed that the ordinance is in violation of the non-impairment clause of the Constitution and Section 1 of Presidential Decree Number 551, granting the company freedom from such taxes. The Provincial Trial Court, however, in a decision dated September 30, 1997, ruled against it. It went on to say that the provincial tax ordinance in question is valid, binding, reasonable, and enforceable. With the backing of the Regional Trial Court of Laguna, provincial truck taxes continue to be collected. It seems there's some legal weight to this issue, yet rest assured that we'll continue to monitor it as new developments arrive. For now at least, one can't help but wonder how this additional cost, for the moment, unique to Cabuyao, Laguna, will affect businesses operating in the area.
And that's our Motoring Forum for this week.